Hola mga ka-travel! I'm Kelly, Filipina living in Spain. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe and join me on my journey. If you love travel, adventure, this channel is for you. For today's vlog, samahan niyo ako as I travel to Spain to Germany. And I will gonna visit my sister because it's been almost 1 year since we saw each other, and it's been long time, and I'm so excited to finally reunite with her because we're living in different part of Europe. And so come with me and let's make this trip unforgettable. Let's go. Mga ka-travel, na dito tayo ngayon sa Germany, and gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang train station dito. At sobrang organized, sobrang linis, and most of all, mabilis ang travel system nila dito. Sobrang lino ng platform number, at famous ang Germany sa pagiging on time. Pero real talk tayo, yung regional train nila usually around 90% on time. Diba? Nakakasana all. Sana ganito din sa Pinas yung transportation natin para every time mag-travel, ang bilis lang, 'di ba? Para hindi tayo malate. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon, quick stop sa Cologne Cathedral. Ito ang pinaka-famous na church dito sa Germany, and fun facts din, it was the tallest building in the world around 1880 to 1884. Ayun na nga guys, we're here now in Bonn, from Cologne Cathedral to Bonn. Ang bilis lang ng trip pero super worth it, 'di ba? And Guten Morgen, mga ka-travel, to let you know that Bonn used to be the capital of West Germany before Berlin. Kaya kahit small city siya ngayon, it's super progressive din naman. And Germany, super good for shopping kasi quality talaga kahit simple lang. And of course, madaming pangyayari dito kasi ang kapatid ko andito na siya kasama ko while naglilibot kami. And of course, bakit napunta yung kapatid ko dito sa Germany? Dahil lang din sa au pair. Nung nauna akong nag-au-pair sa Germany, sumunod din naman siya, at kaso nga lang nag-move ako sa Spain. Kaya at the moment, naggagala lang ako dito, binibisita yung kapatid ko once in a year. 'Di ba? Ang cute kasi kahit nandito kami sa Europe, nagkakaisa din naman kami. To let you know, my sister did the Ausbildung since last year. What is Ausbildung? So, pag natapos mong au pair sa Germany, pwede kang mag-transition sa Ausbildung. Ito yung stepping stone ng marami. Ito yung vocational training na sabay work at study, usually 2 to 3 years, at may sahod din. Pero hindi siya automatic. Kailangan mo ng contract mula sa company, at usually B1 or B2 German level ang kailangan dito. Tapos, mag-apply ka ng bagong resident permit para sa training. So yes, offer can be pathway to Ausbildung, pero kailangan mo rin mag-qualify at mag-apply. At ang alam ko, na-stop yung offer sa Germany because sa dami ding nag-report na overtime yung ibang offer. But still, you have a chance to apply for Ausbildung if you want to travel in Germany. So tara, let's go and have a quick food time with my sister. We are craving for an Asian karaage chicken, and I also crave for bibimbap food. So Jolina is my older sister, and I'm Kelly, the second sister in the family.
Yummy, yummy, yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
And guys, interesting to know that Germany is super known for their healthy bread, and they have so many types of crunchy, soft, dark, and shaded just for one bread, and they have everything. Meanwhile, us as a Filipino, we love to eat rice. And to let you know, we're also going to the Lidl, is one of the famous grocery store in Germany and one of the biggest actually. Most of the stuff here are one of the cheapest one to buy when you want to walk around and check what we can bring also going back home. Napansin ko din na inside Lidl shop, merong free water station. Like, hello, if you need water, pwede kang mag-refill or kumuha ng water for free dito. And usually, in Germany also, you can return the empty bottle in exchange of money. Diba? Ang unique ng shop nila dito. So to let you know guys, that Germany also is having a nice spring season. It's always start at March to April. And just sharing that Germany is different talaga because tulip is everywhere and pink cherry blossom. Diba? Ang ganda dito. I really love Germany.
Hi mga ka-travel! Welcome back sa aking channel. Today pupunta ako sa Cherry Blossom Park sa Boon. Sama ko yung kapatid ko. Maulan ngayon pero pwede go yung gala namin.
So mga ka-travel, unpredictable talaga yung weather dito. Like 1 minute sunny, next minute umuulan. So kailangan ready ka lagi. So what to do with your outfit? Simply lang like jacket, t-shirt para ready ka sa lamig or init. And of course, comfy sneaker kasi maglalakad ka talaga dito most of the time. So that is for today's vlog, guys. Grabe, I'm really happy I got to spend time with my sister before heading back to Netherlands. And every time I travel, I choose to book with FlickBus because it's quick, convenience, and direct to my destination. It's also save time and make long distance travel much easier and comfortable. So that is why I prefer transportation most of time is the FlickBus, and it's also cheaper compared to the train ticket. And also to let you know, there's a time FlixBus will stop at the border because some military will check your ID and visa, so make sure to bring it with you wherever you cross the border. And I hope you enjoy my vlog for today, and please subscribe, comment below, and I will update you for my next vlog going to Netherlands. And once again, guten Abend and adios!